Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Deepu's Decoder. Today we are learning about create and use custom code snippets in Xamarin Forms application. In this video we are covered about code snippets, create custom code snippets and how to use custom code snippets in Xamarin Forms application. Here I am open blank Xamarin Forms project and I have given the name is custom code snippets. Let me explain about code snippets, then we will go step by step procedure for how to implement and use custom code snippets in the Xamarin Forms project. Code snippets is a small portion of reusable code. With the help of code snippets, we speed up the process of writing the code by removing writing repetitive coding. Visual Studio provides predefined code snippets. Here we can see some code snippets provided by Visual Studio. Now I am going to the main page.xaml.cs file. Here, if I entered with if and click on tab and twice, we can see that the code will generate automatically. This is if code snippet provided by the Visual Studio by default. Like that, we can able to create our custom own code snippets, whatever we want in the Xamarin Forms application also. In today's world, we can see number of code snippets are provided by others for using that code snippets in our application. But here I am explaining about how to create our own custom code snippets in our application. Let's see step-by-step procedure of creating code snippets in Xamarin Forms application. Here I have already created the folder name is code snippets. Now I have created one XML file inside code snippets folder. Here we are adding XML file. Now I am changing default XML file to custom converter name. And we need to change the .xml file to .snippet. Now we are successfully added .snippet file in code snippets folder. Here we need to write relevant tags for creating the code snippets. For that, the first tag we need to write is code snippets. Here we need to write one XMLNS declaration. Once write this inside this code snippets folder, here we need to write code snippets and here we need to give the format. Our default format is 1.0.0. Inside code snippets tag, we need to write header. In this header tag content, we need to give our snippet related information. Here we need to give title of our snippet. Here I am giving the title of my custom converter snippet is custom converter. And with the name of description tag, we can able to give description of our snippet. Here I am giving is creating custom converter. And we need to give shortcut code for creating our code snippet. Here I am giving is CCC. So what is the use of this shortcut key is once we create the code snippets, if we want to access this code snippet, we have to give this shortcut code and click on tab twice. Then this code snippet content code generated automatically. Once this details given successfully, we need to give another tag is snippet. Inside this snippet tag, we have to write our own code. Whatever the code we need to generate while we click on the shortcut key. And inside the snippet tag, we have to write the codes tag. And here we need to give language. By default, I have given as a C#. Once it's given, here we need to select .cdta. Inside the CDATA code, we have to write our own code. whatever the code we are writing inside this tag, that code will generated when we click on shortcut key and click tab twice. So I am pasting the converter code inside the CD8A folder. Here I am pasting the converter code for into to boolean converter and I am save it. Once these tags are created successfully, we need to follow some procedure for using this code snippet. Once creating code snippets, we need to click on tools for adding this code snippets to the project. For that, once we need to click on the tools tab and click on code snippet manager. Code snippet manager window will open. Here we need to import our code snippets to Visual Studio. Once import is done, we can use our code snippets in any other projects also. Here I am clicking on import button. Here we need to give our code snippets folder path. For that, now I am open the documents and I will go to my project file path. Here you can see that our create custom converter.snippet file. Now we need to import this snippet file. Once we click on open, we are successfully import this file to Visual Studio. Once done, you can show the import code snippet window. Here we need to click on finish button. After completing importing our code snippet, we can able to use that code snippets wherever we require. Now I will show you how to use that code snippet. For that, I am creating one class inside converter folder. Here I am giving my class name is custom converter. Here file is created successfully. Now I will show you how to use our created own code snippet. We have given our code snippet shortcut key is CCC. Here you can refer to that CCC. So if I give CCC, this is our created own custom code snippet. Here you can see that once you can over the CCC, you can see some details. That is title of the code snippet and description of the code snippet. If you give CCC and click on double tap, our code snippet generated successfully. Here you can observe that. Like this process, we can able to use whatever we required in Xamarin Forms project. If we want to create code snippets for behaviors also, we can able to create code snippets for behaviors and we can use multiple places for without writing repetitive code. Here we are finally see how to create and use code snippets inside the project. If you create the code snippet and add to the Visual Studio, we can able to use inside the project and outside other projects also. In this video, we are finally see about code snippets and how to create code snippets and how to use code snippets inside Xamarin Forms application. In the next video, we can see replaceable parameters in code snippets.
Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel Deepu's the Coder.